My driveway the slabs were uneven, and it was making it tough to snow blow with a blower, and so I wanted them all leveled out. Matt was the first person I talked with, and he was very cordial and very helpful. Then a few weeks later, the guys showed up and did the project within 1 day's time. They were very professional, they were friendly, they were so easy to talk to, and it was a joy to watch them work. I acted as their sidewalk superintendent, making sure they did a good job. They didn't need me at all. When people come to the house, they notice the difference, and they're not as worried about tripping or falling like it was before. They're reliable, they're very professional, they do a good job, and if you need repair work done, they will be back in no time at all and do it with a smile. And that's why I called SureDrive, and I was very pleased.